Okay, this is the Holystone HS710, and today's October 8th. Full battery charge, we got about a 8 mile per hour crosswind, so we're gonna see what this thing does. If I can get it back to my little backyard, that would be impressive. I would say so. So first I'm gonna fly without being connected to the app, and then down and then left, down, left. Okay, let's see what this thing does. Down, left. Okay. Okay. There it is up there. That's an 8 mile an hour crosswind. Look at that palm tree over there. That thing is hovering. I got connected to 16 satellites. You got a few modes on here. You can go control the speed. You can right there, it's speed. You can control the camera right there. Automatic landing, return is right there. Automatic landing is right there. Okay, let's see what this thing does. Oh, there's some birds up there fighting. Let's get it up higher, further in the wind. Let's see what happens. It is about the height of that palm tree over there, and that's about up over there. That's about 30 miles an hour winds at that height. I mean, those palm fronds, you can see them all being blasted. Okay, let's bring it back down. Try to land it on this table. I got it hovering right above my backyard. Get this lined up back in here and see how this does. Almost missed the landing. I could have stuck it. the colors. That was a good recovery. I got lucky. Come on, I can do it. Come on, I can do it. Ooh, almost. But it was so low and almost right there on point to where I almost stuck it. I just hit the kill switch on there, but nothing happened to the drone. It is perfect. Let's fly it to prove it so we can check the durability of this thing. Okay, so I'll put you back down right there. There we go. There it goes. Let's try to land it again. No, we can land it. I need to get a little further away so I'm not in the kill zone. Oh, success! We did it. Landed on the edge. Success. Now that is a badass drone. Okay. And let's check out the battery's still full. Well, 75%. GPS, 16 satellites. I'd say that's a success.